For today's recipe, you're going to need 2 legs, 2 thighs. You want to make sure it's nicely clean, remove the skin. Then you want to add some olive oil, add your blackened seasoning, a little bit of curry powder, some all-purpose seasoning, and then finally we're going to add some Sazon seasoning. Then you want to combine everything, make sure it's nicely mixed, nicely seasoned, and then we're going to set it aside for about 5 minutes. Right about now, you want to add about a tablespoon of avocado oil. Turn your stove to about a medium-high heat. And then we're going to add our chicken that we seasoned earlier. You want to fry your chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Yeah, so here we have some garlic paste, some butter, rosemary, green onion, habanero pepper, a little bit of red onion, and some oregano. So you want to saute all these lovely ingredients together until everything is fully caramelized. And then we're going to add our rice right after that. After you add your rice, you just want to mix it up, stir it in. Make sure you kind of fry up a little bit. And then we're going to add some water. We're going to add just enough water to cover the rice. And then we're going to bring it to a boil and then turn down the heat after that. We're going to cook it for about 15 minutes. As you can see, I just added about a cup of roasted tomato as well. You want to mix everything together same way. Then, like I said, add some water, just enough to cover the rice, not too much. And then we're going to cook it for 15 minutes. All right, so here you have it, guys. This is our finished product. The chicken is nice and moist, juicy, packed with a bunch of flavor. The rice is fully cooked, as you can see. And I'm going to do a quick test just to make sure the chicken is nicely cooked. There you go. It's fully cooked. So this entire recipe, guys, should take about 30 minutes the most. And if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.